Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Gecko Siding Tool is probably one of the most innovative tools I've come across for DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors alike. This ingenious device simplifies the siding installation process, making it faster, more accurate, and less physically demanding. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, the Gecko Siding Tool promises to revolutionize the way you approach siding projects, saving you time, effort, and potentially, a lot of frustration. Number 5. PacTool Gecko Gauge Siding Installation Kit. Introducing the PacTool Gecko Gauge. This kit is ideal for one-person installation, making your job easier and faster. It provides more accuracy, saving you time and effort. The gauges can be adjusted for different siding reveals. The patented mechanism supports long siding lengths, ensuring equal spacing between each board. This feature makes the installation process more precise. This product is safe for use on pre-finished siding. Made from durable plastic with a rubber grip, it protects your siding from scratches. It is designed to last and protect your materials. It works with 5 16-inch James Hardi siding, including the updated HC5 series. These clips hold the board at the correct height, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. This makes your work more efficient. PacTool has been trusted for decades in construction and remodeling. Their cutting-edge designs inspire both professionals and DIYers. This product helps you work smarter and more efficiently. What we like. This tool is perfect for solo projects, making installation a breeze. It offers adjustable reveal increments, ensuring precise spacing every time. If you're looking for a reliable and safe solution for fiber cement siding, this is the one for you. What people say. The genius design of the Gecko gauges allows him to securely hold and gauge the siding boards in place, freeing up both his hands to fasten them securely without assistance. The Gecko gauges are adjustable and fit various siding profiles perfectly, ensuring a snug fit every time. Very fast, easy to use, accurate, and durable unless dropped onto a very hard surface like concrete. Number 4. PacTool Gecko Gauge 8 inches. Siding Tool 2 PK. This siding tool is ideal for one-person installation. It gauges and supports the next course for nailing, saving you time and effort. With this tool, you can install siding with more accuracy and up to 50% faster. It simplifies the process, making your job easier. These smart tools hold the board at the correct height. They assist with installing 3 8-inch thick siding products, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. The gauges can be adjusted at 1 4-inch increments for 4 to 8-inch siding reveals. The patented mechanism supports long siding lengths, ensuring equal spacing. This gauge block set is safe to use on primed or pre-finished products. Made from durable plastic with a rubber grip, it protects your siding from scratches. What we like. This tool is designed for easy one-person installation, saving you time and effort. It's specifically engineered to support LP siding, providing superior holding power. If you are working with LP siding and want a durable, efficient tool, this is your best bet. What people say. It's like having 4 hands. These hold real well. I felt comfortable in how well these held on to slide in 12-foot boards from a ladder 10 away. The locking handle moves super easy, doesn't take hard wrenching or anything that could be problematic on a really high ladder. Number 3. PacTool SA902 Gecko Gauge Hardi Board Siding Gauges. This siding mounting block is ideal for one-person installation. It gauges and supports the next course for nailing, saving you time and effort. With this tool, you can install siding with more accuracy and speed. It helps you get the job done 50% faster. These hands-free clips hold the board at the correct height. It makes installing fiber cement siding easy, reducing fatigue and ensuring consistent reveals. The gauges adjust for 5-inch, 6, 7, and 8 siding reveals. The patented friction cam mechanism supports full 12-foot cement board siding lengths, ensuring perfect spacing. Take your siding project to the next level with this heavy-duty, contractor-grade aluminum tool. It's recommended for use with primed siding products. PacTool has been trusted for decades in construction and remodeling. The product line inspires craftspeople and DIYers to work smarter and more efficiently. What we like. With this tool, you can easily slide, lock, and nail your siding all by yourself. It offers adjustable reveals for perfect spacing. If you are a contractor looking for a heavy-duty, professional-grade tool, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Gecko gauge is a great time saver. It is well built and easy to use. The Gecko gauge is a great product. Number 2. IMPRESA Vinyl Siding Removal Tool Kit. Introducing the IMPRESA Vinyl Siding Removal Tool Kit. This kit offers a robust solution for both installing and removing vinyl siding. Its durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. With a 7-inch handle, this tool provides exceptional leverage and reach. You can tackle challenging siding repairs efficiently with ease and precision. This versatile kit is perfect for quick and damage-free siding removal. It enhances productivity while maintaining the integrity of your siding. Crafted from high-strength steel, these tools are designed for repeated use. Their sturdy build makes them ideal for various projects. The kit includes 2 tools, perfect for collaborative repair tasks. The stylish blue design ensures each tool is easily visible during use. What we like. This kit makes siding removal quick and easy. The enhanced leverage design gives you the reach and power you need. If you have any siding removal or repair tasks, this durable steel tool will make the job much easier. What people say. The Gecko gauge is a great time saver. The Gecko gauge is very easy to use. The Gecko gauge works great. Number 1. Toysmith Critter Case, Backyard Nature Exploration. Discover the wonders of nature with this case. It's designed for safe observation of insects, allowing you to study them up close. The case is made with a sturdy plastic frame and mesh sides. This design ensures the insects are safe while you observe them. It features an easy open hatch. This makes it simple to add or remove plants, branches, and the insect guests. The flat base prevents it from tipping over. A carrying handle makes it easy to transport and store. Measuring 8.5 by 7.5 by 5.5 inches, it's ideal for display on a desk or table. It's a great way to encourage kids to explore and learn. Toysmith is committed to providing imaginative toys with high safety standards. This case is perfect for children of all ages. What we like. This case allows for safe observation of insects. It features an easy open hatch for depositing and removing plants. If you like to explore nature and want to study insects up close, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. This mesh container is much better. After my daughter relocated the mantis, she quickly climbed to the ceiling, no effort needed, and now she is staying there securely and happily. Goes well with other bug-catching gear I purchased from the same line. My 4-year-old is super rough, but it has not broken yet. Very durable no matter how many times he pokes at the screen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.